Hey, what's happening everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about drilling and tapping 1/64 scale cars once you take them apart. I've had a few people ask me how I do them, so I'll show you. Take for instance, if you just did like a wheel swap like I did on this Rabbit. I like to use 11/64 drill bit to drill out the rivet. So once you drill the head off the rivet, you want to move up to this. I don't know what size drill bit this is. It came with a kit here for the 256 tap from Dubro, and I got them off of eBay. So I could find out what the size of the drill bit is, but it's pretty darn small. It's tiny. So once you drill down the depth of your screw, which is about 1/8 of an inch, I marked with a piece of tape on here just so I don't get carried away drilling. And then I have a tap here for my 256 size screws, which that's what I like to use. Button head, stainless steel. They're really small, 256, meaning that they're size number 2, and then it's 56 threads per inch. So they're really small. This is here's where I got them from here. I'll let you guys take a look. See there, it says I circled it. And off their website, I think it's $6 for 100 of them. That's what I like to use. And then it's nice to have a T-handle for your tap. You could use a really small crescent wrench to get on the end as well. Just want to insert your tap. Move my drill out of the way here. And then you just want to take your time and do a few rotations. Make sure you don't bottom out. You will snap the taps off. And all you're doing then is creating the threads for your screw. So you just want to make sure you have it nice and straight. And then blow out any crumbs. Now this car in particular only has one rivet in the front, so that's kind of nice. We don't have to get too carried away here with. And this is just an example here to kind of a brief overview. And just do a test fit. And that seems nice. And what I like about the button heads, I've seen a lot of people use Phillips heads, and I see them on a lot of custom cars at toy shows. And I don't like the Phillips heads. I guess they're a lot cheaper to buy, but I like the button heads because then when you look at it, if this would focus, just to the naked eye, it looks like a rivet. It looks like a factory rivet, and no one knows the wiser. But what's kind of cool, it's got the hex. It has the hex key cut out, so that's kind of cool. And same with this one I just did, which I put together a long time ago with Eileen's white glue, just a dab, and so I finally got around to putting the screws in this. As my wife calls for the dog to come back in. So I'll put a link to everything underneath. I think this was $6 and something for the drill bit and tap set. I just bought it as a set. I'm sure you can buy them separately. What's it say here on? It just says 256 on it. So hopefully it helps somebody else out there, and that way you do it right. And then that, if you ever change your mind on the wheels, you can take the screw back out and swap your wheels and tires, and you'll be that way forever. So all right, hopefully that answered a couple questions you guys might have had. So if you have any questions or comments, just post them down below, and I'll put the links to the Albany County Fasteners. You might be able to find a cheaper place than this. This was $9 of free shipping off eBay, but I went directly to their site and it's $6 on there, so I don't know what the shipping would be. All right, so be sure to subscribe for more updates. Until next time, we'll see you guys soon. All right, bye now.